Did you know that lentils are a great source of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients? Many people wonder if diabetics can eat lentils without causing a spike in blood sugar. The good news is that lentils have a low glycemic index, which means they are digested and absorbed slowly, leading to a gradual rise in blood sugar levels. This makes them a great option for diabetics looking to manage their blood sugar levels. In fact, studies have shown that incorporating lentils into your diet can actually help improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. So if you have diabetes, don't be afraid to include lentils in your meals. Just be mindful of portion sizes and pair them with other nutritious foods to create a balanced meal. Remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional or a dietitian to create a meal plan that works best for your individual needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information.